Good day and welcome to another Wily Wednesday. Today I'm talking about kitchen sponges and in fact bathroom sponges as well. We use a recycled sponge. So we buy a brand of sponge that is made from sponges that have been used before. So we use recycled sponges. And then we send off our sponge to be recycled rather than throwing it away. Now, one of the things with sponges, and in fact with many cloths, dishcloths and things like that, is that they can harbour bacteria, particularly over an extended period of use. So what we do for our sponge is we zap it in a microwave once a week. And that kills 99.9%, supposedly, of all the bacteria and germs that are on that sponge. So how do we do that? First of all, you squeeze your sponge and then absolutely saturate it with as much water as possible, and then put it in a microwavable bowl, and then zap that in the microwave for 2 minutes on full power. In that time, obviously what will happen is the water in the sponge will generate a lot of steam, and that is going to in itself kill off most of the germs and bacteria that are on the sponge. Obviously, when it comes out of the microwave, when you take it out of the microwave, it's going to be really, really hot. So make sure you use something to, if your bowl is hot, you need to use something to take the bowl out of the microwave as you would normally. And the sponge, just let it stand for 5 or 10 minutes to cool down before you actually handle it with bare hands. So that's what we do. We use recycled sponges in our kitchen and our bathroom, and we recycle those once they're finished. And we zap our sponges in the microwave once a week to kill off bacteria and germs. So there we are. Obviously, there are other ways that you can do things. You can use bleach, of course, though that's using something else to bleach. You can put sponges in the dishwasher as well, but it needs to be on a really hot cycle and on a drying cycle, a hot drying cycle as well. And we use our eco cycle constantly on our dishwasher, so we wouldn't do that. Obviously, if you're using cloths, so cotton cloths and things like that, they can just go into your weekly wash, your general wash. So there we are, zapping a sponge in your microwave to get rid of the germs and bacteria. See you again soon. Bye.